everyone, you are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial Channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how we can do time series analysis of an earthquake. And this time around, we want to see Morocco 2023 earthquake time series analysis in Google Earth. And the example of settlement we want to use in Morocco is Tazhat. If you go online, in September 8, 2023, a powerful magnitude 6.8 earthquake struck Morocco, causing widespread damages that killed more than 2,100 people. And in fact, these are the images of the damages done by the earthquake in Morocco. But today, we want to see time series analysis within Google Earth using a particular location, which is Tazhat. So to do that, let's go to open our Google Earth Pro and let's locate a particular settlement in Morocco. Let's use this Tazhat, Morocco. Click on it. Make sure your internet connectivity is on, and the speed depends on the strength of your network. So we click on search to search for that very locations. So it's taking us there. Yes, this is the settlement. We want to see what happens to these settlements before and after the earthquake in Morocco in 2023. So what to do this time series analysis is a visual inspection of a particular settlement before the earthquake and after the earthquake to be able to visually assess the level of damages caused by the earthquake. And to do that, come to these historical images. So click on it and let's go back in time. We are in 2024, but let's go back in time. Let's, for example, it happened in 2023. So let's go back to 2023. The earthquake happened in September, but let's start from, let's say, June. This is June 2023. Let's look at this particular location. For example, let's zoom in to a reasonable resolution so that you can see the buildings. These are the buildings here at this particular location in June. And if you click next to move to the next image, the next image was taken in after the earthquake has occurred. That was in September, after the earthquake has occurred. If you look at it, you see the level of damages that was done by the earthquake to building in this very area. If you move back again, let's move back. At June, the earthquake has not occurred. You can see many buildings here standing, many buildings, beautiful building. But if you move to the next image, which was taken after the earthquake, you can see that a whole lot of buildings was destroyed by the earthquake, which is evident by these pictures. You can see the level of damages by the earthquake. You can see it, and in Google Earth you can see the level of damages. Buildings were leveled to the ground by the earthquake. And if you move again to the next one taken, that was after the images, after the earthquake, you can see level of damages caused by the earthquake. So visually, this is how you can do visual time series analysis before an event and after an event using Google Earth. Of course, what you can do with this method, area of researches, you can use these methods. For example, you can do visual damage analysis and assessment with this method. And also you can do economic damage assessment. For economic damage assessment, of course, you need to go to the field, at least to assess the kind of materials or building that were destroyed for you to do economic analysis. But for visual analysis, you can use this method to inspect the level of damages done. And you need two major images. That number one is before the earthquake or before the disaster, and two, after the disaster. So you'll be able to do visual assessment of the damages. So this is how to use Google Earth to do time series analysis of any disaster, and in this case we use Morocco 2023 earthquake. Thank you for watching this video. Please like our video, subscribe. Thank you.